Hey guys, Face Jones here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build these 3 Lego fidget spinners. So let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back and I will be showing you how to build this one. So you want to start out with any color of a 2x2 brick, and you want to flip it over and get one of these technical pieces. Get the small side, stick it in the little bottom hole, and you want to get a 3-sided axle and stick it on there all the way down. Then you want to get another brown piece and stick it all the way. Not all the way, because if you go all the way, it won't spin. So don't do it all the way. So you should have this right now. And then if you see these little thingies, you can put one of these in each. So put them one in each. So you should have 3. And then it should look like this. It will spin perfectly. Then you want to get 3 of these kind of pieces, any type, any color, and then just stick them on to the red things, the red technical pieces. So it should look like this, so you should be able to hold it and spin it. But then, to make it smoother, put tiles on every kind of like brick.
What are you doing here? Watching lunch. I already have my lunch. Fine, we'll give this to the nerdy kid who does your homework.
Hey, Dave.
Hi, Joe.
Where do you think you're going?
That's Joe? Joe. Okay, you're the kid who is
And then just keep putting tiles on the pieces you can.
And that's a chair, and that's a book. Are we done now?
Okay, Joe. You and me are going to have a little talk.
It should look like this, and you should be able to spin it perfectly.
Because I'm not happy. And do you know why I'm not happy?
No, but I think
Bye guys, I'm going to be back with the next one.